It's Monday morning, and the big question of the week is if you should start a travel vlog, but there's really no good way to explain it. I'm just gonna have to show you. I'm 6 months into this adventure, and at this point I squeeze out 2 videos a week. I've driven thousands of miles, hiked in wet shoes, I've been really cold and really hot, stepped over snakes and looked out for bears. You could make a YouTube channel out of anything. Think of all the things you know, all of the things you're comfortable with. You could start that channel. But if you choose this instead, you'll be rewarded with huge adventures, views and experiences that line other people's bucket list.
And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear it.
I was sitting at home, and now I'm at Indiana Sand Dunes National Park, ready to check out an epic sunset over Lake Michigan.
And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before.
You'll be uncomfortable, look goofy, and do a few things for the gram. Oh, it is chilly. My original plan was to actually go in the water today. It is 30 degrees, and that is absolutely not happening. Whew. Or not. You can just barely make out the Chicago skyline. It is amazing. The best part is that you don't have to travel like I do. People will watch to see how you do it differently, what you choose to show us, and how you tell the story. If you're willing to go the extra mile to catch views like that in places like this, then it's time to start your channel. Once you do, leave it in the comments below. I can't wait to see where you guys go and what you create. While you're here, hit the subscribe button. The next video is going to tell you how to get started. I will catch you on the next adventure. Lucky, go. Can you sit down? Yeah, you could be in it. Do you want to be in it? You just have to sit. People are going to think you always listen this good.